Samsung to launch 4 new Galaxy J series smartphone with infinite display in India report. With competition offering the latest 18.9 display, it seems that Samsung is all set to adopt the latest trend for the side budget centric smartphone. Specifically, the J series, the company is reported to launch 4 smartphones under J series that take will leverage of infinite display. The company called launched the new smartphone in India and all made it Nodia facility. Industry source told IANS the upcoming smartphones will also come with different features like its back mode, ultra data saving mode, and turbo speed technology. The CEOs told IANS at time will do most of competitions have already adopted the latest display trend. Samsung has practically left our Honor one of early adopted the technology. The smartphone like Honor 9i, Honor 7X, and Honor 9 Lite that comes the latest display retro Xiaomi to adopt the latest trend for budget-centric smartphone, the Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro. Apart from there are smartphones from Infinity in focus and more this offering this new display different price is 20,549 rupees. Hope you like this post. Please subscribe my channel and do not forget to share and like this post. Thank you.